is on belt and rope drives, that is kinematics and theory of machine, module 5, that is part 2, PCME 503. That is selection of belt drives. Today we will discuss the selection of belt drives. The important factors upon which the selection of belt drive depends: number 1, speed of the driving and driven shaft; number 2, the speed reduction ratio; and number 3, power to be transmitted; and number 4, the center distance between the shafts; number 5, that is the positive drive requirements; number 6, the shaft layout; number 7, the service condition; number 8, available space. Now the types of belts, types of belt drives. So how many types of belt drives are there? Now the belt drives are usually classified into the following 3 types. Number 1, that is the light drives; number 2, that is the medium drives; and number 3, that is the heavy drives. Now what is light drives? These are used to transmit small powers at belt speed up to about 10 meter per second, as in agricultural machines and small machine tools. Medium drives, these are used to transmit medium power at belt speed over 10 meter per second, but up to 22 meter per second, as in machine tools. And number 3, that is the heavy drives, these are used to transmit large powers at belt speed above 22 meter per second, as in compressor and generators. Now the types of belts. So the types of belt: number 1, that is the flat belt; number 2, that is the V belt; and number 3, that is the circular belt or rope. Now flat belt. The flat belt, as shown in the figure 1, is mostly used in the factories and workshops where a moderate amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another when the two pulleys are not more than 8 meters apart. Now V belt. The V belt, as shown in the figure 2, is mostly used in the factories and workshop where a moderate amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another when the two pulleys are very near to each other. So in this V belt, the power transmission is more and the less amount of slippage or negligible slippage. In the case of circular belt or rope, so rope is also called the circular belt. The circular belt or rope, as shown in this figure 3, is mostly used in the factories and workshop where a great amount of power is to be transmitted from one pulley to another when the two pulleys are more than 8 meters apart. Now open belt drive. The open belt drive, as shown in the figure 4, is used with the shafts arranged parallel and rotating in the same direction. So in this diagram there are two, one is top view and another one is front view. One is the driver, left side the pulley is the driver and the right side pulley is the driven, and tight side of the belt is always the lower side and slack side is generally in the top. Now that is the cross or twist belt drive. The cross or twist belt drive, as shown in this figure 5, is used with shafts arranged parallel and rotating in the opposite direction. When the pulleys and is rotating in the opposite direction, in this case this cross or twist belt drive is used. So in this case it will generate more friction and power will be transmitted more. Now quarter turn belt drive. The quarter turn belt drive, also known as right angle belt drive, as shown in this figure 6, is used with shaft arranged at right angles and rotating in the definite direction. Now, belt drive with idle pulleys. So, generally idle pulleys is used to providing proper tension in the belt. Now, the belt drive with an idler pulleys as shown in the figure 7a and 7b is used with the shafts arranged parallel, and when an open belt drive cannot be used due to smaller angle of contact of the smaller pulley. This type of drive is provided to obtain high velocity ratio, and when the required belt tension cannot be obtained by other means. Now, number 5, the compound belt drive. A compound belt drive as shown in the figure 8 is used when the power is transmitted from one shaft to another through a number of pulleys. So, in this case, on a particular shaft there are so many number of pulleys are mounted. So, when the different powers or different velocities is to be transmitted from one shaft to another, in that case the compound belt drive is used. Now, the stepped or cone pulley drives. A stepped or cone pulley drives as shown in this figure is used for changing the speed of the driven shaft when the main or driving shaft runs at the constant speed. This is accomplished by shafting the belt from one part of the step to the another. Thank you very much.